Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can create subtasks and assign them to your tasks on Asana really quickly and without any technical skills. So let us get started. It is very simple. Head over to your Asana workspace, log into your account and head over to the My Tasks section here in the left panel to get a better overview of all of your tasks inside your workspace. So let me go, for example, with that task here, draft project brief. So what you want to do, guys, is left click on it to gain access to its customization here to the right. So you may, for example, assign team members to it, set a due date, start date, assign it to a project, assign or add dependencies, fields, and so on and so forth. So guys, let's assume a task consists of 2 or more subtasks or steps. All you want to do, guys, is to add these subtasks is click on this button here, add subtasks, or use the shortcut tab S, and that is going to create a subtask. And after that, simply proceed as if you were creating a completely new task. It's basically the same way, just with the difference that the subtask is under that task queue in this case here. So give it a name like subtask, I don't know, subtask 1 or something like that. And you may add more subtasks by clicking on that button here, or you may customize and edit your subtask by clicking on that arrow to the right icon. And again, customize and edit it as if you were customizing and editing a normal task. So you may add assignees like team members to it. You may set a due date or set the subtask to repeat if you'd like to repeat it on a, let's say, weekly frequency, daily frequency, and so on and so forth. Add dependencies, describe it, use the artificial intelligence to craft these descriptions, leave comments, attach files, for example, like instructions, PDFs by clicking on that button here in the top right corner. You may hyperlink or add links to this subtask. Make it go public to make it visible for all of your workspace team members. Click on these 3 buttons here to, for instance, add text to it, to create a follow-up, to remove it as a subtask, to duplicate it, to delete it, and so on and so forth, guys. So that's basically it. That's how you add a subtask. Once you're done, simply click on close here in the top right, and that is going to add the subtask to the given task. For example, guys, if I hover my mouse over that task, over that icon here, you see that the given task features, here you see the number 1 subtask currently. So guys, that's basically it. That's how I do it. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time.